When people admire a newly built home, attention often goes to what is easily visible. Clean lines, modern finishes, and attractive layouts tend to shape first impressions. Yet the true measure of a well-built home lies beneath those surfaces. Durability, safety, and long-term performance depend on decisions made long before paint colors are chosen or fixtures are installed. Today's builders are placing a renewed focus on construction practices that support resilience and longevity, responding to higher expectations from homeowners and evolving building standards. Advances in materials, engineering, and project planning are changing how homes are designed and constructed. Builders are no longer focused solely on speed or appearance. Many are taking a more thoughtful approach that balances aesthetics with structural integrity. From foundation systems to construction methods and material selection, the emphasis is shifting toward homes that perform reliably for decades. Building strong foundations from the ground up. A home's lifespan begins with its foundation. Builders understand that even the most beautiful structure will struggle if the ground beneath it is not properly prepared. Modern construction starts with comprehensive soil analysis to evaluate load capacity, drainage, and potential movement. This data allows builders to design foundations that respond appropriately to local conditions rather than relying on one-size-fits-all solutions. Concrete quality and reinforcement have also seen meaningful improvements. Builders now use carefully calibrated mixtures and placement techniques to minimize cracking and enhance strength. Precision matters at this stage, as small errors can lead to significant structural problems later. To secure structural components to concrete, builders often rely on fasteners such as structural wedge anchors, which provide dependable holding power when installed correctly and supported by proper design calculations. Attention to these unseen details ensures that homes remain stable and resistant to shifting over time. A strong foundation sets the tone for every other system within the structure. Structural framing designed for longevity beyond the foundation. The framing of a home forms its skeleton. Today's builders are making more informed choices about framing materials and methods. Engineered lumber products are increasingly used for their consistency, strength, and resistance to warping. These materials reduce the risk of uneven settling and improve structural performance throughout the home's life. Builders are also integrating advanced fastening and bracing techniques to increase resistance to environmental stresses. High wind regions, areas with seismic activity, and locations prone to heavy snow loads all require tailored framing solutions. Rather than meeting minimum code requirements alone, many builders exceed them by incorporating additional reinforcement and thoughtful layout planning. Precise framing improves more than structural durability. It supports better insulation, tighter building envelopes, and improved efficiency. A well-framed home provides a stable platform for all other trades, reducing future maintenance and repair needs. Materials chosen for performance over appearance. Material selection plays a critical role in how well a home ages. Builders are now evaluating products based on durability, resilience, and long-term maintenance requirements rather than appearance alone. Exterior finishes are selected for resistance to moisture, UV exposure, and temperature fluctuations. Roofing systems are designed with proper ventilation and underlayment to extend their usable life. Inside the home, moisture-resistant materials are used in areas prone to humidity, such as kitchens, laundry rooms, and bathrooms. Flooring, wall assemblies, and cabinetry are chosen with consideration for expansion, contraction, and daily wear. This thoughtful approach reduces the likelihood of premature damage and costly repairs. Green building materials are also contributing to longevity. Products with lower chemical emissions and improved stability help preserve indoor air quality and material integrity over time. Builders who prioritize performance-focused materials are creating homes that maintain their value and comfort well into the future. Construction practices that prevent future problems. How materials are installed matters just as much as what materials are selected. Builders are investing in training and quality control to ensure that construction practices meet high standards. Proper flashing, sealing, and moisture management are essential to protecting a home structure from hidden damage. Modern building science emphasizes airflow, drainage, and insulation continuity. Builders now design wall assemblies and roof systems that manage moisture movement effectively, rather than trapping it inside the structure. This approach helps prevent mold growth, wood decay, and insulation failure. Inspections and documentation have also become more rigorous. Builders often rely on third-party inspections to verify that each stage of construction aligns with design intentions. This attention to process leads to homes with fewer surprises and stronger long-term performance. Future-proofing through adaptable design. Longevity is not only about resisting damage. It is also about adaptability. Builders are designing homes that can evolve with changing needs, technologies, and lifestyles. Flexible floor plans, accessible framing pathways, and expandable systems allow homeowners to update their spaces without major structural changes. Energy systems are another focus area. Builders are preparing homes for future upgrades by incorporating wiring pathways and mechanical space for advanced equipment. Even if homeowners do not immediately adopt new technologies, their homes are ready to accommodate change without extensive renovation. This forward-thinking design philosophy contributes to lasting value. Homes that adapt gracefully remain functional and desirable across generations. Conclusion: ensuring that homes stand the test of time requires more than attractive finishes or trending design elements. It demands careful planning, skilled execution, and respect for the science of building. Today's builders are looking beyond the surface to deliver homes that perform reliably through years of use and environmental exposure. By focusing on strong foundations, resilient structures, high-performing materials, and sound construction practices, builders are raising the standard for residential longevity. The result is housing that offers confidence, safety, and enduring value for those who call it home. The result is housing that offers confidence, safety, and enduring value for those who call it home. Read more on HOGDigest.com.